we're back and we're doing butts today. This one is fantabulous. It's called the glute. Oh, we're doing glutes today. Sorry.
Glutes and legs and
legs.
butt.
You should have wore something where we could see your butt. Cause you gotta. we gotta check the butt, how it moves when you. Okay. We gotta check the butt, because that's the first thing these commenters are gonna say.
I don't care about that. I'm trying to.
Okay, well on my channel I wore something that you can see my butt. On your channel,
whatever the hell I want.
You're in. Yes. So.
I'm here to get in shape.
So
I'm not here for comments.
Good, because you're not getting any yet.
Good. I don't care.
Okay, so 3 sets of.
Make a good comment, because we're working our asses off trying to get in shape here.
3 sets of 15 on this machine.
2 more.
Let me get the butt side. We gotta see what's going on back here. Look at how it's lifting it as she pushes. Wow. Look at that butt, girl. Look at that glute.
Got a long way to go.
Quit saying that. You're doing fantabulous.
I can say it wasn't. I got a long way to go. Alright.
Sorry, I've got that clearing throat in there.
Wow, that's beautiful.
I'm so sorry. I ruined it.
Okay, so I'm done.
Okay, so this machine is called the hip abduction. And Miss Rhea Lynn's world is going to be doing this. And this gets the inner thighs.
The outer thighs.
The outer thighs. It's hard to get a good angle.
It's okay, you're fine right there. Not much to it,
You just sit. That's why I love these purple workouts, and then just add additional ones with the weights, because they're pretty much just hang out and get fit and talk. We love to talk, right?
Yep.
We're getting our therapy time in also.
Yep.
And even if nobody watches, at least we're doing great things for ourselves. And again, she does 3 sets of 15 on this. Okay. The hip abductions. So these are the
Adduction.
abduction.
Adduction.
So you are working the inners at 70 pounds,
Yep.
3 sets of 15.
Yep.
So do whatever you feel comfortable with.
Okay.
No, I'm telling the people, not you.
Okay.
Clueless? No.
Clueless person.
Clueless. Oh, don't put my hand in, girl.
Why don't you come over here?
Don't put my hand in. I want to get all angles.
I know. I don't like that.
You don't want
angle.
people in my space. Okay.
I don't want
oh,
people
wow.
in my stuff.
Well, that angle is real good right there.
You're terrible.
Real good.
Okay, that's enough. Get out.
That's what you were doing in my face.
Oh, I was just teasing. I didn't leave it there for 5 minutes.
Well, you have to see.
No, you don't. Just look at how we're doing the machine. That's not what my legs look like. Alright.
Okay, that's 15.
Yep. And then the
Okay, so how much weights, Missy? 55.
calf extensions. These help
Okay. Calf extensions today, ladies and gentlemen. We all need that. We all need that. Oh, I can't make noises in the background. Two more. Okay. 3 sets of 15. Okay, the seated leg curl. How much are you doing?
40 pounds.
Okay. 40 pounds. Seated leg curl. So no excuses, people. We're not professing to be perfect at these, but anybody can do this. That's why we're recording this. And do you have any idea how much courage it takes
Well,
to...
some people have to get out here and get some
How much courage it takes to get out here and do this? So you need to do this. You need to do this. It takes a lot of courage. But once you start, this is no judgment here. Nobody judges you. So just get out and do it.
People are just appreciative.
Yeah, and we wasted a lot of time. Oh, hello. We're doing leg extensions.
Hello.
Hello.
Turn it on by accident?
Yeah, I turned it on and we were conversating. We were conversating. So this gets right here, that well-needed spot that we need for bikinis and shorts. That's a good one right there. We want that one. So it's a good day because we made it here.
It's a good day.
It's a real good day.
And I made her lunch so she doesn't have to have lunch.
Oh my God, what did you...
That's a good day.
That's a good day when you have a sister who cooks. Because in my new life, I don't cook.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay. Okay, seated leg press. The lighting's not that great, but hey, you get the idea. So this is like squats. Sitting down, sitting squats. Really good for the legs and butt.
I'm getting tired. This is our last
I know, this is our last one. And then we're gonna record the hydro massage.
We're gonna go get on those high
We get to make sure that you reward yourself at the end, because then you won't want to come back if you don't reward yourself. So keep rewarding yourself.
Start. I am on the hydro massage. This thing is absolute. Oops, get my hand out of the way. Absolutely amazing. It is so nice. It just massages all areas of your body, from your head to your toe. What a great way to end your workout. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching us today. We did our butts, we did our calves, we did our thighs, and our legs. So I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and peace out till the next workout. Hope you guys enjoy. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe. If you haven't clicked the bell above, click the bell and make sure I never miss one of my videos. I will be back in the kitchen cooking soon too. I'm going to be releasing my new cookbook, and so I'm going to be doing a video on that pretty soon. I'm waiting for my original hardback to come back to me so I have something to show to you, and I'm so excited about that. So be watching Reelin's World because we have lots of fun, we do lots of things, and we're trying to get in good shape. Bye guys, see you later.